What's up, everybody? So now I'm gonna be studying about voltage, current, resistance, and Ohm's law about today because I don't have like enough time. So let's go with it. So since everything is on electricity, I'm gonna put it on electricity. Let's go. Okay, now the I've learned about the voltage, current, and resistance. Yeah, I've learned about three of them, and I learned how to find them in the circuit, and we're gonna be using them right now. There. Okay. So if you know the current, see that is the A. If you know the current and the resistance in a circuit, you may be able to find the voltage of it. For example, let's try finding the voltage, right? This is the formula to find the voltage. So B is equals to, what is it? B is equals to current times the resistance. So this is resistance and this is the current, right? So if we multiply that, let's go multiply that. 0.3 times 20. Now 3 times 20 is 60, right? 60. Since this is from the first dot, from the back, or like it's what you call it, it's on decimals, so it's on the first decimal. We're just gonna move this 6 to this, right? So it would be 6. We're just gonna move it to 1 backward, so it's gonna be 6, because that's how it works. So the answer would be 6. The voltage in a circuit is 6, right? So that's the voltage. And now we're gonna go to the number 2. So for example, if you have the battery and you have the resistance in a circuit, we're gonna find the current of the circuit. So how do we find the current of the circuit? Simple. We just need to do this. See, that's the formula to find the current. What's the current of the circuit, right? So we're just gonna go and put the voltage 9 divide the resistance, right? So that's easy, right? It's just 9 divide 4.5. 4.5. Now 4.5 divide 9 is just 2, right? So the current is 2 amps. That's the current, right? Easy. Now we're gonna find the resistance. Now to find the resistance, you must know the voltage and the current of the circuit. So let's say there is 0.25 current and 5 voltage. We're just gonna go and where is it? Oh yes, this. We're just gonna go R equals to voltage times current. Now we're gonna go and add the voltage on the top. So voltage is 5 divide 0.25. So how do we divide it? We use this simple method. 0.25, right? Now divide 5. Now since there's two zeros here, let's go add it two zeros to the left, so it would be 25, and then we're gonna add two zeros here, divide 500. So 25, 2 divide 5 is 2, right? 2, and then 5 divide, I know, Thomas, 25 divide 5 is 0, right? So we're gonna go 0, and then we're just gonna go minus that. So 25 divide 5 is none, so we're gonna put 0 here, and now we're gonna bring down the 0 here. Now 0 minus 5 is 0, is 5, and now we're gonna bring down the 0 here. Now 25 divide 50 is now 2. Now we're gonna put 2 here, right? And then we're gonna bring down we're gonna multiply this to this. We're gonna multiply this to this. So 2 times 25 is 50, be 0, and now this would just be 0, and so on. Now since this is this is 0.20, now the resistance, we're just gonna go 2, and again we're gonna go 2 decimals from the right, because we just made these 2 decimals from where it started. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, and then we're just gonna put 20 there, 0.20. So the resistance should be 0.20, I guess. I think, am I right? Let me hold on. So I'm right, guys. So the resistance is 20. So the answer is 20. Did I get it right? Did I teach it to you right? See, since we go back from here, it would be 20 only, right? We're gonna move it, boop boop, right? So the answer is 20, right? No, the answer is 20. And then when we like go back from just, that's the answer, I can't explain it. That's what I learned. Thank you guys for watching. I'll explain it better in the future. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like my video.